Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to type the Celsius symbol in Excel. First, open your Excel spreadsheet and click on the cell where you want to insert the symbol. Next, go to the Insert tab located on the Excel ribbon at the top of your screen. From there, find the Symbols group and click on the Symbol button. This action will open a new dialog box, allowing you to choose various special characters for your spreadsheet. Once the symbol dialog box appears, you'll need to locate the Celsius symbol. In the subset drop-down menu, select Latin 1 supplement. This will narrow down the character options. Now, scroll through the available symbols until you find the degree symbol, which looks like a small circle. After that, find the capital letter C. Select both the degree symbol and the letter C, then click the Insert button to place them into your chosen cell. Another quick way to add the degree symbol is by using an Alt code. Make sure your numlock is active on your keyboard. Then, hold down the Alt key and type 0176 using the numeric keypad on the right side of your keyboard. Release the Alt key, and the degree symbol will appear. Immediately after, type the capital letter C to complete the Celsius symbol. This method is very efficient for frequent use. Finally, you can simply copy the Celsius symbol from a reliable online source or another document and paste it directly into your Excel cell. This is often the fastest method if you only need it occasionally. Alternatively, the Character Map tool in Windows also provides access to this symbol. Remember to check the description below for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker, as well as other great deals we've found for you. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you easily add the Celsius symbol to your spreadsheets.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.